Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 8x8 panel I got from Dollar General and some snowflakes I got from Amazon. I start by painting the entire panel with crimson red chalk paint by Waverly, giving it full coverage. Once that's completely dry, I'm taking white acrylic paint, mixing that with a little bit of water to thin it out a bit. I then take a toothbrush and I dip it in that paint, and then I hit a paintbrush handle on the back of the toothbrush, splattering the paint forward onto the panel. I do that to the flat part of the panel as well as all of the sides. Next, I'm taking the snowflakes. Again, those are from Amazon. They're a little over an inch and they come in all different designs. And I start by lining 5 of them up and then put 4 on top of that, 3 on top of those, and then 2 and 1. Trying to get them as centered on the panel as possible. I then take tacky glue and I brush it on the backs of each of the snowflakes and then place them down. I did end up switching out a couple of the snowflakes just so I didn't have too many of the same design or shape right next to each other. I use my heating tool to dry the tacky glue. I then take this silver twine and make a little bow out of that. I tie another piece of that around the center, so I have a few tails coming out of that. I hot glue that to the top of the single snowflake and then trim up the tails and curl them a little bit. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.